Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to review this clip. So it's a food packet sealing clip, and if you see the description, uh, this is what it shows. Let me just take out the packet label, and now you can see how it can be used. So you can see you need to fold a packet and then insert it. So many times we get into a problem where we end up opening the packet, but we are not able to consume it fully. So for those things, we need those kinds of things. So you can see this is one thing which is available in the market. So what you need to do, you just need to insert it and click it like that. But the problem with this is it's not large enough for a packet like this. So for that I need to buy this long one. As you can see, it's just covered that much part. So in order to use it, what you need to do, this is the clip. You need to insert it like that. So you need to pull it downwards and then insert this inside it. So first you need to fold your packet like this and make a crease for that, and then try to insert it. So let's just do it. So what it will do, you just need to slide it on a sideways and try to insert clip like that. So as you can see, it's started to get inserted, and if you see that part, it's like that. So you can just keep pulling it. So it will really get hard. So you can have a confidence like it will be really sealed pack. So it's much better than this. So you can just pull it all the way to the end. And it should be sealed. So as you can see, it's sealed, but you can see the loose end here. So you need to insert it again while pulling it to the all the way. So let me just try it one more time. So it's taking a lot of pressure. So I will recommend that do it yourself. Don't involve your parents in this, because my father tried to do it, and he really got irritated by that. So don't do that. And I need to buy this just for because of this particular packet, as I was looking for some product which can protect this from getting like moisture. So with this I can be sure that nothing get inside, because it's like a very protective packet, and on top of that I'm using this, so it should be really protected. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions regarding this, please comment below. And there is a thing that if you want to know the length of it, its length is around 23 centimeters. So it can cover a packet of 22 centimeter. So as you can see, it's 23 centimeter now. And if you have like a very strict space, so you need to mind that, because it can't be folded like that. It will just stay in the same way. So you need to have that much space in order to store this thing. So that is one drawback of it. So I thought that it will come with different sizes, but that's the standard size they have. So I bought it for around, I think 240 rupees of 10 pieces, so 24 rupee per piece. But I think according to the quality, it's worth it. But again, I don't need like so much for me, so I need to find packets for that. but still it's value for money. It will come along as many like Kellogg's type packets which have huge size can be used with this. So I hope you like the video and get some insights of this clip, how it is used and it is useful or not. So if you have any comment or question, please comment below. Do like and subscribe if you kind of like my videos. So this is again the last packet details. I bought it from the Amazon. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.